We are going to make Nonni's meatballs.
Yes.
Nonni, what does it start with? What's the first ingredients?
We have ground beef and the other one, it's, I believe,
Pork.
pork. Yes.
Beef and pork.
You don't remember what you got? You just got it 5 minutes ago.
Sorry.
So ground beef.
And pork.
Guys, this is why we're doing this now, because Nonni might not remember. Okay. Welcome everybody to a very special edition of Vince's at Home. This week we have a lot of special guests, starting of course with Nonna Rosalia, and these are all of her grandkids. Kids, say hi.
Say hi, everyone.
Hi.
As we're cooking with my mom, we're often talking about how her recipes come from the generations. Why not teach them now while they're young so that one day they'll be able to make it for themselves? Fresh breadcrumbs, so I'm gonna give that to you, Maya. We have to crack an egg. Leah, that's gonna be for you. Fresh parmigiano cheese. So Giulia, I'm gonna give that to you. That's gonna be your job, okay?
Okay.
Ella, why don't you do the first step? Meat's gotta go in the bowl.
I need like scissors.
Yeah, I'm serious.
There's a bowl right there.
Hey, don't put the plastic in the bowl. There you go.
There you go.
Number one, okay.
Beautiful.
That's it. Okay, pass the big bowl
Okay.
down.
Put it all.
Okay, put it all.
That's it.
Put it all.
Now, Leah, you're gonna crack the egg in there. Ah, there you go. Break it in.
Very
you
good. Julia, you know what to do.
Giulia, you put the cheese in.
We're gonna put salt, garlic powder.
Garlic power.
Nonni's the meatball superhero.
Superwoman.
Are you two getting a little too old for this? You getting embarrassed now?
Grandma's job is to get the grandchildren embarrassed, okay?
That's right.
We're gonna put some parsley in here.
Girls paying attention?
Pay attention to this. Because one day, when you get older,
You're gonna wanna make this.
you wanna make it because your kids are gonna say, Mom, I want some meatballs.
Ma, the
Ma!
meatballs.
Meatballs!
Meatballs.
Watch what Nonni does, because you're gonna end up having a turn to do it too. So you're mixing, right?
Mixing.
Okay, girls, you ready to do something that's gonna feel a little funny?
Okay, let's go.
Okay,
Everyone's gonna mix.
Get
Put
your
your
hands
hands
in
in there. Mix, mix, mix. Good job, Giulia. Leah, give it a try. Come on, get in there. All right, you want to give Maya a turn?
Ew, how do people like doing this?
Now I'm gonna give you a piece of meat each, and you guys gotta make the meatball. We make it big today. Nonni's gonna show you how to do it, okay? How big? Let me see. What do you have in your
Maya,
hands?
Ella.
Watch Nonni.
Roll, roll, roll your boat down
Oh,
the
my
stream. Merrily, like a dream. What are you making? Huh? Are you making hot dogs? There you go.
Okay, good job.
We're gonna fry them.
We wanna see the sizzle. It's not sizzling yet, but that's okay.
Now it's happening. I put it higher.
Okay, so now we're gonna let them cook, right, Nonni?
Yes.
How do you know when to turn them?
Turn them like this, because then they have to be like this and like this, because they gotta cook.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it. They don't wanna do it.
Nonni, look at this beautiful amount of food here. Meatballs and sauce. Then we have the meatballs that are just fried, which I love those too.
Yeah, I know,
They're
me too.
Beautiful. Thanks for cooking with us. We're gonna try them now. How is it, Giulia?
Yeah, I like it.
So, do you guys think you could do this? Is it hard?
No.
No, you can make it, right? The meatballs are good, Ma.
I like bread with meatball.